guys, welcome to my channel. Today I am making Easter bun. In this pot I have 2 cups of sugar and 5 spoons of butter. What I did was to melt the butter and the sugar together in one pan. After adding my sugar and butter, I'm adding a dragon stout. Then I will be adding 2 eggs. A quarter cup of honey, but I'm now putting some oil in my cup so my honey doesn't stick. So that's it, and it runs right out. So adding 2 tablespoons of molasses, and I oil my spoon as well. So that's 2 tablespoons of molasses. This is a tablespoon of orange zest. I just grated. Just get an orange and rub off the skin. And what the orange zest does is help to cut the rawness from the egg. Adding some browning, but with the browning I won't give you any measurement for this because the browning depends on how dark you want your bun to be. Adding 2 tablespoons of vanilla. One cup of red wine. I'm adding 4 cups of flour. Okay, so for the final cup, I'll be adding the rest of my dry ingredients. 2 teaspoons of mixed spice, 2 teaspoons of cinnamon powder, half teaspoon of baking soda, half teaspoon of salt, 2 teaspoons of nutmeg, and 4 teaspoons of baking powder. Now that my mixture is looking so lovely and smelling so good, I will be adding a half cup of raisin, a quarter cup of cherry, and some mixed fruits. Be gentle with this because I'm going to add some to the top as well. I buttered my pan and put some parchment paper in it. And do not fill your pan all the way up because Your bun will need space to rise. I'm going to put some of the mixed fruits on top like that. I'm going to place this in a preheated oven at 300 degrees for 1 hour. It may take an hour and 15 minutes or so, but all you need to do is test it, insert a toothpick. When it come out clean, we are good to go. Who think me that gonna make this waste? Nope. Not no waste in a superb kitchen. So my pans are full, so I'm going to put in my cupcake. Whoa. Alright, Denisha, I mess up the place. I want to them paper, yeah, man. So it seems like I'm only going to get three cupcakes. Or should I say cup bun? So I'm using about 2 tablespoons of butter and some icing sugar to make my glaze. I'm using the icing sugar because I want it to melt quickly. I'm also going to add some vanilla to this. Just going to put this on the stove, and when it melts, we are all good to go. Yes guys, my buns are out the oven. Now I am putting my glaze on top. But I'm not seeing the fruits that I put on top there sink right in. I'm going to looks so nice, guys. If you try pretty it up, you know, because the fruits them I'ma put in a day, like the fruits them sink. So I'm just putting some cherries on top. How that look, guys? And this one is for my brother. And this, the big one, is for my family.